Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we make your purchasing decisions easier and a lot more entertaining. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On one side, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, the reliable butler of the robot vacuum world. And on the other side, the Mopping Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a vacuum that also mops. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty and see which one deserves a spot in your home. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roomba 692 comes in at $269, while the Mop Combo is more budget-friendly at $196. That's a $73 difference. Reviewers note that while the Roomba is a bit pricier, it's also regarded as a reliable investment. On the other hand, Mopping is praised for offering a great value for its cost, especially for those on a budget. Next, let's talk cleaning power. The Roomba 692 boasts a 3-stage cleaning system that loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt effectively. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its performance on hardwood floors, but mention it struggles with thicker rugs. Meanwhile, the Mop offers 1,400 pascals suction power and also includes a mopping feature. It's praised for its versatility, effective pet hair removal, and ease of use on both linoleum and carpeted floors. Now, for the smart features. The Roomba 692 learns your cleaning habits and offers personalized schedules. It supports voice control with Google Assistant and Alexa. Reviewers appreciate the convenience, but note some connectivity issues. Mopping also supports voice control and comes with the Tuya Smart app for scheduling and mode changes, plus a remote control. Reviewers find it user-friendly and appreciate the added control options. When it comes to navigation, the Roomba 692 has adaptive navigation with a full suite of sensors to avoid obstacles. Reviewers highlight its ability to navigate around rugs and wires, but mention occasional issues with getting stuck. Mop's 3D precise obstacle avoidance is also noteworthy, with sensors to avoid white walls, stairs, and other obstacles. Reviewers appreciate its low profile, allowing it to clean under furniture easily. Runtime is another key factor. The Roomba 692 offers 90 minutes of cleaning before needing to recharge. Reviewers find this sufficient for daily cleaning, but note, it could be longer. The Mop boasts a 100-minute runtime, giving it a slight edge. Reviewers appreciate the extra cleaning time, which is particularly useful for larger spaces. Special features can be a deal breaker. The Roomba 692 has dirt detect sensors that focus on dirtier areas of your home. Reviewers love this feature for its efficiency in high-traffic areas. Mop, however, offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes, including a zigzag path for better coverage and a brushless suction port to avoid hair entanglements. Pet owners, in particular, find these features incredibly useful. Overall, both the iRobot Roomba 692 and Mopping Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo have garnered positive feedback from users. The Roomba is praised for its reliability and effective cleaning, especially on hardwood floors. However, some users mention issues with thicker rugs and occasional connectivity problems. On the other hand, Mopping is lauded for its versatility, affordability, and additional mopping feature, though it may also get tripped up by thin wires and cables. So there you have it, folks. If you want a reliable, smart, and slightly more expensive option, go with the Roomba 692. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile cleaner that vacuums and mops, the Mop is your new best friend. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart and stay entertained. Product links are in the description.